Hey guys, we're going to have a look at the D position of the E Phrygian scale now, and we're going to go down on this lower end of the guitar just for a bit of difference here. Now we're going to start 2nd fret on the D string, and we've got this fantastic flat 9 right here, and it's just real metal riff writing territory. Alright, so before I get carried away, let's actually get through the scale. So, 1st, 2nd little finger, and that is on the 2nd, 3rd and 5th frets on the D. Then we drop down 1st, 3rd little finger, okay, 2nd, 4th and 5th. Then we move up to the 3rd fret with our 1st, 3rd little finger, so it's 3rd, 5th and 6th frets. Alright. Okay, we'll run through this a couple of times. One more. Alright, now we've got a little feel for it. Let's look at the arpeggio. Now, that'll be the one that we really want to add in there. We've got our 1, 3, 5. Okay, and then really that 7th sitting there. There's a better way to do this. Just slide, rather than that little finger and you're getting this, try this. So we've got a bit of a stretch. And look, it's much easier and it sounds a lot better. It flows better too. And you'll be sitting there and going, ooh, that looks like a really good spot for a sweep. Okay, it is just screaming for it, and that's where I was saying really cool little metal territory. So what are we going to do with it? Alright, so let's have a little think. We've got our nice 5th there, flat 6. And then you've got that flat 9th there. Beautiful little riff writing territory. Then we've got the arpeggio notes in here. Then you could really rip something up out of that. So muck around, get a feel for it. Now the really, really cool thing here is when you start mucking around with this one, lay it in harmonized with your A minor. You start to get something really special. So have a muck around, layering this particular position of the mode over your open A minor and see what happens. Okay, great fun. All right, now let's have a look what happens with this when you gel it to the other modes. And we're actually going to change key here just for something different. So let's just have a play around with, we'll go to A. All right, so if we're in the A Phrygian mode, you've got this position scale becomes here. All right, so, all right, we know where we are now. Now, where does that sit when you think about the other modes here? So if we've got an A Phrygian, all right, you're going to have a G Dorian and then a D minor. So you've actually got this minor scale and this Phrygian mode right here. So really, these can bounce between each other really nicely. If you think about it, the Phrygian is actually the fifth from the minor scale. It's the fifth note up. So they actually get used a lot together. And this particular position will serve you wonders if you're sort of riffing between them. So you might end up with something that's a rather than just sitting there and soloing in your minor, try doing a couple of little runs where you're really using that particular position of Phrygian. It'll work wonders for you. I'm going to leave this one here, and I'll see you next time.